Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rental. So open the Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rental. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus credit your assignment and your exam. So download the all files. EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. Open the instruction file. EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie and next Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie and assignment title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals and total question is 17. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start the Excel download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rentals. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use the get and transform data to load the file Ch10 C2 movies text and an existing worksheet starting in a cell A1 and load the information to the worksheets and select the add this data model to the data model. So use the get a transform data to load the E10C movie existing worksheets. So go to the data tabs and next is transform data to load the E10C movie text existing worksheets. So click the text from a text and next is E10C movie and the download and E10C movie click the import and next is existing worksheets starting the A1 and load the worksheet to the array data model. Click the load to and existing worksheets in cell A1 and add the data model, click OK. So import the file. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is rename the worksheets to movies. Name the worksheet movies. Right click and click the rename movies and press enter. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the get and transform data to load the account table from the XML files E10C to contact XMLs into new worksheet and load the information to new worksheets and select add the data to data model. So use the transform data to load the account table from the XML files E10C to contact XMLs into new worksheets and load the information to new worksheet and select the add the data models and go to a data tab and next is to load the account table in the XML files E10C to contact. So go to the data tabs and click the from XML files And next is Ch10 content XML files. Ch10 contacts and click the import and load to the account table. Click the account table in the new worksheets. Load in the new worksheet, select the add this data model. Click the load to and new worksheets. Symbols in the new worksheet and load the information. New worksheet and this data models and click the new worksheets, add this data models and click OK. New worksheets and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is rename the worksheet to contact. Right clicks and click the name worksheet to contacts. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is use the get and transform data to load the rates tables from the file Ch10 dates XLS into the new worksheet and load the information to new worksheet and select the add this data model to data model. Use the get and transform data to load the rates table from the file into the new worksheets and load the information to new worksheet and select the add this data to the data models and go to the data tabs. And next is load the rates table from the Ch10 rates. So go to the data transform tabs and from the Excel files. And next is Ch10 rates. Ch10 rates and click the import and new worksheets and load the information to new worksheets. Load the information new worksheet and select the data models and click the rate, click the load to and next is load to and information in the new worksheet and this method new worksheets and this data model and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is rename the worksheet rates. So right click and click the rename rates and press enter. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is use the get and transform data to load the store info tables located in the database Ch10 transactions into the new worksheet and load to the information to new worksheet and select the adds this data to this data models. So use the get and transform data to load the store info tables located the Ch10 transaction access into the new worksheet and load the information new worksheet and select the adds this data to the data model. So go to the data tabs and next is to the store info database and from the Microsoft Access database and Ch10 to transaction and click the import the new worksheet and load the informations new worksheet, click the store info data tables and click the load to store info in the load to information new worksheet and this data models new worksheets and click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 5. Sorry, question number 9. So question number 9 is rename the worksheet to the store info. Name the worksheet is store info. Right click and click the rename store info. So question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is use the get transform data to load the transaction tables located in the database Ch10 transaction Power Query editors and use the Power Query editor format the date column date and times and load the editors arrow worksheets. Add this selected the data model date data models. Load the transaction tables located in the database. So go to the data tabs and from Microsoft Access transaction and click the import. And next just click the transaction tables Ch10 transaction and use the Power Query editors. Change the format that data types and load the edits data worksheet and this data models. Click the load to add this data model. So date and time and click OK. Transaction tables and transaction table. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is rename the worksheet to transactions. Rename the worksheet to transactions. Right click and click the rename to transaction. So question number 11 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments in Excel chapter 10's cumulative assessment movie rentals and click the save, click the save as. So click the close and close the Word files and upload the Excel chapter 10 cumulative assessment movie rentals. So open the Excel chapter 10 cumulative assessment movie rentals. So upload the assignment Excel chapter 10 cumulative assessment movie. Upload the file and submit for grading Excel chapter 10 cumulative assessment movie rentals. Click opens and click upload. So upload assignment and check the score. Click the continue, and you can see the score is Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movie Rental. Current score is 98%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.